Hey there, fellow internet entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore exciting ways to make money online. Today, we're diving into the realm of AI and language models.
Get ready to discover how you can leverage ChatGPT to unlock new income opportunities. Let's get started. First things first, let's quickly introduce ChatGPT. It's an AI language model that can generate human-like text responses. But how can we use it to make money? One way to monetize ChatGPT is by utilizing it for content creation. Imagine offering freelance writing services, where you use ChatGPT to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, or even social media content. Tap into platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients seeking written content. Another lucrative opportunity is building and selling chatbots. With ChatGPT's natural language processing abilities, you can create chatbots for businesses, providing customer support or facilitating automated sales processes. Market your services to entrepreneurs and website owners seeking conversational AI solutions. Consider creating information products or online courses that leverage ChatGPT. Develop e-books, guides, or video courses that utilize ChatGPT's capabilities to provide unique insights and guidance. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy to sell and distribute your digital product. Position yourself as an expert in your field and offer consulting or coaching services enhanced by ChatGPT. Leverage its language generation abilities to provide personalized advice, recommendations, or even automated reports. Build credibility and attract clients who value your expertise. Don't forget about collaboration. Seek partnerships with businesses or content creators who can benefit from ChatGPT's capabilities. Explore joint ventures where you co-create products or services that leverage AI-generated content. This can open up exciting revenue-sharing opportunities. There you have it, folks. Making money online with ChatGPT is all about leveraging its powerful language generation capabilities. From content creation and chatbot development to information products and collaborations, the possibilities are vast. Take action, get creative, and dive into this AI-driven income stream. Let us know in the comments which method you're most excited about trying. As always, stay tuned for more money-making tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Remember, with ChatGPT, you have the power to unlock new online income opportunities. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired. Disclaimer: please ensure you comply with relevant legal and ethical guidelines when offering services or creating content using AI tools like ChatGPT.